In this vlog, we will see how to make landscape and portrait orientations in your Flutter application. So in general, when you are making a sample application, for example, an application where you want the app to be in the portrait screen, 70 to 80% of the applications will be in the portrait mode. So in particular, when you see the games kind of applications will be in landscape. So in particular, when you deal with games and video based applications, you might make use of the landscape orientation. So how to deal with the landscape and portrait orientations in Flutter, we will be seeing now. So here we have initialized with the void main. So we have considered the basic class my app, which is extending a stateless widget. So from where we have considered the home class, where which is extending a stateful widget here. So we have created a state for the home class here, and here you can see we have returned a sample app bar here, where we have provided a text orientation, and in the body we have specified two buttons here. So let us see how the screen looks like now. So here you can see landscape and portrait orientations. So whenever you tap on this, you can change the orientation of the application. So now let us see, when you tap on the landscape orientation, you can see the application turned out to be in the landscape mode. So whenever you tap on the portrait, so again it is back to the portrait mode here. So what we did is, here inside the raised button, with the help of the set state, we have provided the device orientations like landscape right and left here, so that we will be having the landscape orientation here. So whenever you want it to be in the portrait mode, same in the device orientations, we have provided a portrait down and portrait up here. So it's that simple to make the orientations in the Flutter. So depending upon your screen, for example, your application might be having a 10 screens. So for every screen also you can set these orientations, and when the screen is been disposed, you can make them back into the portrait or landscape depending upon your app requirements. So this is the easiest way to make the orientations in your Flutter applications, and the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below. And if you are having any more queries on this tutorial, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Flutter.